Hey guys, so I had been meaning to do a haul and just hadn't got around to it, and I figured I should do it while it's body care day weekend. So I actually am not shopping body care day because I don't need anything, but I wanted to show you things that I got that I think would be good to get recently. So when they had that 425 sale for Mist, I went and got satin slippers and ballet nights. I like both of these. I like them enough to have one. I don't want a backup of either one. And I am so stocked on body wash. I'm not even going to try to do that. But if you don't have a huge collection, I think these would be nice to get the whole set while body care day is going on. And then for these, I actually had two rewards. So I picked up Carried Away, which again, I like this, not enough to get a backup, and I just really don't need any more body wash. And then I did like Meet Me in Miami, and if I can make it in a store or something, I may pick up the body wash for this, but I'm not like pressed. And then I got Lovely December. So I got these using rewards, but I think these are nice and good for body care day. And then I had a coupon where if I spent $10, I could get a mist up to $17.95. So when the wallflowers are on sale, I bought some. I actually bought quite a few because I was running low. And so then I got this for free. So rewards, coupon, $4.25. But for body care day, these will all be $4.95. And I do, I recommend adding them to your collection. But none of these for me are backup worthy. I'm trying to be very hard on my backup selections. So that is my haul slash recommendations for body care day. Also, if you didn't get Dahlia, I think that's an amazing one as well to stock up on too. So here's my haul, as well as I guess a little mini recommendation. So hope this helps. See you guys later. Bye.